Ha sigut l'entrada del grup d'entreteniment Universal Studios.
We rented the shop just outside of Picassent, which is very close to Valencia, right? And we started with just the 4 people. Our key carpenter, our key scenic painter, our metal shop lead, and a fiberglass person.
The moon pool is sort of the third space you encounter that ramp down around a shark-shaped submarine, a submersible that was suspended in the room over a body of water.
We went through the project, all of us together, translating, trying to figure out each other's languages, right? Because there was a lot of grunts and groans and finger pointing and hand signals and trying to figure all of that out.
Les començaré poquets, però al final cada departament tenia 30 persones. I hi havia el de ferro, de pintura, escultura.
Within the next 90 days, we had 95 people. We partitioned off the shop into 4 different areas where we had carpentry in one area, we had painting in another, or finishing in another, so we could sand everything, get everything smooth. And then it went over to either paint or went to fiberglass. And welding, of course, was building all of the internal framework for all of the larger pieces, especially the whale fins that you see in the pre-show area.
I aquests dos, falles. I veritat treballen. Tot era tan bonico que no podies absorbir-ho tot, saps? Tot te clavaves en el que estaves fent i tiraves milles.